Tissue?
Hi. What? Tissue?
I'm making bubbles.
Uy. Try to make bubbles used by tissue.
Yeah.
So the water is dirty.
No?
It's not bubbles. It's dirty.
Oh, wow. A tissue.
Daddy did not give. He did not give you soap. That's why you use tissue. Pity you. Okay. Show me your. No, it's not like that. Look at that. That's cute.
Yeah. Look, it's swimming. Oh, look at it.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's peeing.
Let me see. The once you have
Forward.
once you have my love
Forward. Huh?
once you have real turtle, no, you don't need to put bubbles because once you put bubbles, the real turtle anak,
Yeah.
they're going to die. So no bubbles for the with turtle.
It's a good way to teach her from now.
Huh?
It's a good way to teach her from now so she understands.
Yeah. See? That's why you have to remove the tissue. Because once the turtle to live with the dirty water, they're gonna die too because you know what? It's dirty. Yeah. So remove the tissue. Tissue are dangerous too. Remember, I keep telling you, the tissue is dangerous to put in your nose.
Yeah.
Yeah, dangerous.
Kiwi.
Yeah.
Tissue. Yeah, I got a tissue.
Yeah. Excuse me. Okay, you can put your mermaid in your turtle now.
Okay.
Yeah. We need. Yeah. See?
Swimming.
Now the turtle's so happy. And the mermaid too.
Come here.
Look at that. See? See, she have mermaid and turtles, guys. Funny. Your mermaid. Your mermaid. Funny.
Stop.
Your mermaid, anak. Your mermaid.
We're starting.
Your mermaid need to learn how to swim,
Yeah.
right? Your mermaid. Where's the mermaid?
It is.
Yeah. Ariel need to learn how to swim, right? Pity Ariel. Woohoo! Are you happy, my love? Are you happy?
Yeah. Eat it. What? Eat it.
Come on down. Let her swim. Aww.
Mama.
Yeah?
Why are you not waking?
Huh?
I'm not waking. Ow!
What?
I'm cold.
Cold? Wear your slipper.
We cold.
Wear your awesome slipper. Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to sleep.
Wear your awesome slipper. Come on, I'm waiting. Piti may anak.
Are we soft? Oh.
Very soft.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome shoes. We wait.
Wow. I'm glad you have awesome shoes.
And home. Bicycle and horn.
Oh, really?
Yeah. See, awesome.
It's not bicycle, it's a scooter.
Oh, scooter. Awesome scooter.
Yeah. Your bicycle, we need to give. We're going to send your bicycle in Jamaica.
Pretty.
You hear me?
Because Spider-Man bed. It is not like a female character.
What is that Spider-Man?
Bed.
Spider-Man bed. How much?
I want to see. I want to see. I want to see.
You like that bed?
Wow. Yeah, I wanted that bed.
Is that queen size?
A single bed for a kid.
How come Spider-Man? She's a baby. She's supposed to be princess bed.
That's what I said. It's not, you know. Another one will come up. Yeah.
But if it's cheaper, you know. What do you think?
Another one will come up.
Wow. She's like you know, like Ariel or Princess Cinderella. You know.
Mommy, look at her.
Snow White.
Mom.
Yeah.
Look at her.
Yeah. Oh yeah. See.
Okay, stop. I want to stop.
But you know what?
Mommy, stop.
Lang. Okay, this one. I think my phone have my phone camera is need to fix. What's wrong with my camera? Eh? Okay. I see you now.
Ow. Oh, you turn it.
I see your turtle. Say help, help. I like your turtle, you know. Look at the color of your turtle.
Yeah.
Look at your color of the turtle. Look at your dress. Aww.
Purple.
It's so cute.
And purple.
It's so cute, right? It's
Oh.
so cute.
Gotcha.
Oh. Oh man.
Here goes.
Aww.
Ha!
Agoy, kalo is a turtle. Agoy, kalo is a turtle. Agoy! Pity turtle. Pity turtle. It hurt my feelings.
I have a turtle.
It hurt my feelings, baby.
I have a turtle.
Like the way like the way I pull the flowers in the shop and you cry because it hurt your feelings, and that's what I feel right now.
I have my feelings too. I
Yeah.
have your feelings.
Yeah, and
I have your feelings too. I have my feelings.
really?
There's.
Really?
Yeah. In my movie.
You have feelings too?
Yeah, last night.
You have feelings too?
And my papa and mom.
Do you have feelings too?
Yeah, and my papa there.
Your tablet too?
It was scary night. Because.
Oh, pity mo anak. I love you, anak. I love you, anak.
Wait, they say dad?
What?
Let's say dad.
Dad?
And mommy and her families.
Oh, yeah, they have family too. Look at that. Look at that. Your turtle color purple. Your your clothes color purple, and your necklace color purple. Oh.
Look.
Ay! Agoy, kaluoy sa turtle. What happened to your mermaid? Oh, head, shoulders, knees, and toes, turtle. Ay. Woohoo! Ay. Ay. Agoy, your mermaid. Wala na. See the mermaid say, "You don't love me, Tia. You don't love me."
I love you.
No, the mermaid.
Say, love you.
Turtle.
Whoa! You say love you.
Okay. Okay, come on.
Mommy, you a big mermaid. Me a potato.
What?
Me potato. You a big mermaid.
Really? Okay, say bye-bye na. Mama need to relax now. Mama's so tired.
Mommy, wanna be mermaid.
Wanna be mermaid?
Be,
No, I want my
Turtle.
baby. I want my baby is baby.
yeah.
Yeah. Come on, say bye-bye na. Bye-bye vlog na.
Bye bye.
Say bye-bye vlog. Say bye-bye vlog.
Bye bye.
I love you vlog.
Bye bye. Go.
No, I love you all. Take care. Take care all. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, I'll take a picture with the like that. Just like that. 1, 2, 3, go smile. Turtle like this. Like that. Okay.
No, like that.
No, I can't see the turtle. Like that. Just like that.
No, like that.
No, just like that.
No, like that.
No, I can't see the turtle.
No, like that.
Go. Ready, go. What? What did you do to your turtle, anak? You ate your turtle. No more turtle. Baby turtle. Turtle. I love you. Oh, you're still alive, turtle. I love you, turtle. Huh? You ate your mermaid too. You ate your mermaid. Oh, no more mermaid. Oh.
Stay alive.
Still alive? They still alive, anak?
Yeah.
Oh.
Stay alive. Yeah, but daddy. Mermaid.
Uy, that's toothpick.
Mermaid.
That's toothpick, oy. Wait, don't do that. Dangerous. Give it to me. Give it to me. Dangerous, okay? I love you.
Love you.